was the first person to eat an oyster? Imagine you're standing on a beach thousands of years ago. You're hungry. There are no restaurants, no supermarkets, no food delivery apps, just rocks, sand, and a weird-looking shell stuck to a stone. Then somebody picks it up, cracks it open, and finds what looks like a giant wet booger inside, and somehow thinks, yeah, I'm eating that. That person might be one of the bravest humans who ever lived, or the most desperate. The truth is, nobody knows exactly who ate the first oyster, but archaeologists have found giant piles of oyster shells left by humans over 100,000 years ago. That means people were eating oysters long before farming, cities, or even written language existed. And honestly, it makes sense. Oysters don't run away. They don't fight back. And they're packed with protein, minerals, and nutrients. For early humans living near the coast, they were basically free fast food. But here's the weird part. Today, oysters are considered a luxury. People pay huge amounts of money to eat something that ancient humans probably collected by the bucket. So the next time you see oysters served on ice in a fancy restaurant, remember? A very long time ago, some hungry genius looked at a slimy creature inside a rock and decided to take the first bite. And thanks to that completely insane decision, people are still eating them today.